Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni coleslaw. First, let's get our macaroni ready. You'll want to cook about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes around 7 to 10 minutes. After cooking, drain it well and give it a good rinse with cold water. This step is super important because it stops the cooking process and keeps the macaroni from sticking together, giving us that ideal texture for our delicious salad. Set it aside to cool completely while we prepare the other ingredients. Next up, let's get our fresh vegetables prepped. For the main body of our coleslaw, you'll need to finely shred about 4 cups of green cabbage and 1 cup of carrots. These form the classic coleslaw base. Then, for an extra pop of flavor and color, finely dice 1/2 cup of red onion and 1/2 cup of green bell pepper. Making sure all your vegetables are uniformly chopped helps ensure every bite of your macaroni coleslaw is perfectly balanced and delicious. Now for the heart of our macaroni coleslaw, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This combination gives us that perfect balance of creamy, tangy, and sweet. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed for a subtle, aromatic kick. Don't forget to season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Taste and adjust for that perfect flavor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a very large bowl, gently combine your completely cooled macaroni, all of your freshly prepped vegetables, and that wonderful creamy dressing we just made. Mix everything thoroughly but carefully, ensuring every single piece of macaroni and every vegetable shred is beautifully coated. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and pop it into the refrigerator. Chilling for at least 2 hours or even overnight allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making your macaroni coleslaw absolutely irresistible. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.